Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk price. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is priced at $239, making it the wallet-friendly option. On the other hand, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is priced at $399. If you're on a budget, the Kobra 2 Neo is the clear choice. Reviewers appreciate the affordability of the Kobra 2 Neo, while some mention the higher price of the Adventurer 5M is justified by its additional features. Next, we have print speed. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a max speed of 250 mm per second, but recommends 150 mm per second for the best results. Reviewers find it fast and reliable for most tasks. The Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, claims a whopping 600 mm per second max speed, making it the speed demon of the two. If you're in a rush to print your next masterpiece, the Adventurer 5M might be your best bet. Now, let's talk extruders and cooling. The Kobra 2 Neo has a newly integrated extrusion system with a 60W hot end and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. Reviewers appreciate its high-speed cooling, describing it as efficient and effective. The Adventurer 5M features a 50W heating power and 200 heating in 35 seconds. It's praised for its quick heating capabilities. Both systems are impressive, but if you're into high-speed cooling, the Kobra 2 Neo's got your back. When it comes to print quality, the Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and print resonance, providing smooth and stable prints. Reviewers describe it as precise and reliable. The Adventurer 5M has vibration compensation, eliminating ghosting in prints and delivering quality results. It's praised for its stability and precision. Both printers deliver excellent print quality, but the Kobra 2 Neo's zen-like approach to reducing resonance stands out. Let's not forget the extras. The Kobra 2 Neo has the LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system, making it user-friendly and praised for its convenience. It also comes with excellent customer service. The Adventurer 5M features a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery, adding reliability to your printing experience. Reviewers appreciate these additional features, highlighting the ease of use and support from both companies. Overall, reviews for the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo highlight its affordability, precision, and user-friendly features. However, some users have experienced issues with network connectivity and reliability. On the other hand, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, stability, and ease of use, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced users. Some minor issues with firmware and touchscreen sensitivity have been noted. So which 3D printer should you choose? If you're looking for speed and don't mind splurging a bit, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is your go-to. But if you want a budget-friendly printer with great features and excellent customer service, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is a no-brainer. Drop a comment below on which printer you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product links in the description. Until next time, happy printing!